how to change your username on Reddit. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So to change your username on Reddit, you need to follow these steps. First thing first, open your Reddit on your device and click on the avatar icon from the top right corner of your screen, and then click on profile section. At the top of the page on the left hand side, there is the username. As you could see, there is no way you could go ahead and change, or for most users, you cannot change your Reddit username once it has been set. So the username you choose when creating the account is permanent. So the only exception is if your account was created by sign up with Google or sign up with Apple and you receive a temporary random generated username. In this specific case, you can change the username to customize one within the 30 days of account creation. Now, provided you haven't made any post, comments, or even upvote or downvote as well. And if you can't change your username, then if you are outside the 30-day window or created your account with an email address, your only option for a new username is to create a new account. So basically, there is no way you could go ahead and change your username on Reddit. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.